Well, today is a great power replacement day. My poor little XPS, bad. I mean, not bad, but the power supply, of course, will be bad. So, open her up, do some surgery. I'm recording this because, it's good to know where all the wires go and all that kind of stuff right after you're done with your job. Well, the patient is open. There's the power supply, which I'm going under the impression that it's bad because, well, everything suggested it is. So, as you can see, there are many cables and wires. Yep. It's attached to the motherboard right there. Yep. Yep. Power goes everywhere. Down and under there, up there. Lots of different power cables, and power goes there. Evidently on the motherboard over there as well. So, lots of different places. So, that's the 1394 connector down there. It runs along here. And then it goes, well, it goes in there. I think that's for the firewire. 1394. So I'm just going to unplug it from the motherboard temporarily so I can take this part off right here. Yeah. It really bugs me. You take a perfectly good power supply and attach all sorts of blue crap to it and a lot of cables to it. It just complicates everything. That's what I'm saying, man. It just complicates the whole power supply removal process. And that's all I'm going to say about it. So, see this little area here, kind of getting all these cables up, rope through there and up there and then back up here and reconnected. It's a pain in the ass, really. You can see the CPU fan has got some screws down there that are holding this little black thing on, so you have to take those off. Alright, time to replace the power supply now. This is exciting. removal of the heart. The power. The power supply. You have to take care of all of its little tentacles. See how they get intertwined? All the tentacles. All the tentacles out. All of the tentacles that connect. See how dusty it gets in there? It's crazy dusty. I'm gonna bring out the vacuum cleaner. So we're going to connect P12, P5, and P3. As you can see respectively, P3, P5, and there's P12 down in there. As you can see, P3 happily reattached. P5 happily reattached, and P12 happily reattached. Just 3 more power connectors down. Well, at this point I'm reconnecting P8, P9. Yes, P8 and P9 are being reconnected. Those are really the hard drive power and the DVD power. Yeah. Rockin', man. It is now time to redeploy the refrigeration unit that keeps the chip from blowing up. Lower the pod doors, Hal. Lower the pod doors, Hal. Lower the pod doors, Hal. Alright, well now we're going to reconnect the I394 connector. Yep. And as we recall, that's where its little motherboard connector is over there. Now that we have the superstructure back on case, we can start rewiring all the other crap. So Reattaching ribbon cable A to the MOTHO board. Mow the board! Mow the board, mow the board. So, successfully reattached P13. P14 is a dangler. Could be used for something else futuristically. For right now, we'll just call him a dangler. Take the time out to reseat the status. Thank you for watching my video, fixing the power supply on the Dell XPS. Although at times I may have seemed somewhat haphazard, clumsy, or just a little nuts, but ultimately I knew what I was doing. I took footage and I was ready to backtrack if necessary. Have the bravery for you to go out and do similar things in your life. Good day and good night.